3 tips to keep you safe while driving in the sun. From blinding glare to heat-related problems, the sun can actually wreak havoc on your day. Whether it's the middle of summer or the dead of winter, the sun's glare can obstruct your view of the road ahead and make it harder to avoid anything that may dart out into your path. You can also help reduce glare by frequently cleaning your windshield both inside and out and making sure you don't keep anything on your dashboard that may reflect the sun up into your eyes. The sun doesn't just make it harder to drive. During the summer months, the heat it gives off can also take a toll on your car. For example, high temperatures can cause your engine oil to thin out and reduce the efficiency of your coolant and transmission fluid. It's a good idea to get an oil change before the summer months, switching to a thicker oil that won't suffer as much damage from the heat. High temperatures can also cause your battery fluid to evaporate. This can cause battery damage, including acid leaks and corrosion. To protect your battery during the summer months, park in the shade whenever you can and check your battery occasionally for corrosion. Just be careful not to get corrosion or battery acid on your skin or in your eyes. The summer heat can affect your tires, causing increased pressure. In fact, for every 10 degrees of temperature change, your tires can gain 1 to 2 psi. These temperature-related changes combined with everyday wear and tear make it more likely that you could have a tire blowout. Parking in the shade can help keep your tire temperature down. It's also important to periodically check the PSI of your tires to make sure they are properly inflated. Stay safe on the road with a defensive driving course. Did you know defensive driving courses aren't just for keeping points off your license?